They're the same problem again, but now we have to do step 2, which is to make a plan. So basically, I'll go back. So make a plan. So we have to, for this question, it's kind of straightforward. We know what to do. We just set up an equation, but the proper algebraic, or how you want to think through this, is you want to write a verbal model. So we write a verbal model that represents what you want to find out. To find unknown, and then we have to write the equation. Algebraic, let's write ALG equation. And lastly, we just simply solve it. And then again, we have to check back, but that's like another step to make sure. Okay, so that completes step 2, and you can move ahead. So same question again. Step 3 asks to solve the problem. So here, like I said before, we'll do the verbal problem first. So we write the verbal model. So then we write the equation, and then we solve for the answer. So in this case, I'm going to call A to be the adult tickets. We have to assign variables to make sure we can solve the problem. So here, we'll just make quick boxes. Okay, so we have this. So first, we got to start off with the cost of adult tickets. Oops, let me just erase that real quick. Give me a second. Okay, let me just choose another pen color too. Let's do black. Okay, so now coming back, we're going to write a verbal model. So what the verbal model is, I'm gonna make these train boxes, so we can directly derive our equation from there using numbers. So our first train box here would be the cost of adult tickets and then to find the total how much it costs for adult tickets, we would have to multiply that. So we have to do multiplication by the another train box, and we'll call this number of adult tickets purchased, number of adult tickets. And then to this, we'll add our cost of children, kid tickets, cost of kid tickets, and then again we have to multiply that by the number of kids going, right, for this to be considered valid. Number of kid tickets. And then all of this must add up to our total cost. Total cost. Cost. So here, let me just put this parentheses too. So this kind of tells us what we have to do and write in our equation. So in this, I'm going to move to the next slide. No, I'll write here first. So the cost of adult tickets, it tells us it cost $8. So we have 8. The number of adult tickets we don't know, and we call that variable A. So we have 8 times A. And then we are adding that to the cost of kid tickets. The cost of kid tickets is $5. And the number of kid tickets is, there are 4 children going, so we obviously have to purchase 4 tickets. So we are 5 times 4. And then the total cost again, it said was $44 for all tickets. So that kind of helps us. Let's move on to the next page.